All right, 5 things I do as a cardiac nurse after being a nurse for 13 million years. Number 1 is preventative care. Some sort of cardio every day, taking my vitamins, taking care of my body, preventative care, because I have seen people younger than me have a heart attack. Number 2 is smoke anything. I will not smoke anything. Number 3 is I know my blood type. You should know your blood type. I'm A positive. Number 4 is I have a notes app outlining any medication that I take, including supplements and my allergies. Little known fact, some paramedics and EMTs actually look for this in your phone. It's good to have. It's also good to have when you go to the doctor's office. So I convinced all my relatives and all my family, have a notes app with all your meds, supplements, and your allergies. Also the dosages and the frequencies, guys. Lastly, I will never be mean or demeaning to staff. Not just healthcare staff in the hospital or doctor's office, but any staff anywhere, because in these many decades of being in healthcare, I have realized it is so draining. And the people above the people that you are working with are the ones that are really making a lot of the decisions. So getting mad at that person does nothing. It just makes their day horrible and brings you bad karma. So those are my 5 things.